Hi friends, welcome to Anshu's library. Today I am going to discuss about air pollution part 2. In part 1 I am already discussed about types of pollutants, sources of air pollution and effects of air pollution. In air effects I already discussed about effects on human health. So in this class I am going to discuss about effects of air pollution on plants, on aquatic life, on materials and control measures of air pollution. So first coming to effects on plants. So what are the main effects? So these air pollutants affect plants by entering through stomata, leaf pores through which gases diffuses. So it destroys, if the air pollutants enter into the stomata, they destroy chlorophyll and affect photosynthesis. So this is the primary effect. And the next effect is pollutants also erode waxy coating of the leaves called cuticle. This cuticle prevents excessive water loss through transpiration. So this cuticle prevents excessive water loss and damage from diseases. So this should be act as a protective layer, but this should be eroded due to pollutants. And the next effect, damage to leaf structure, causes the first condition necrosis, dead areas of leaf, chlorosis, loss or destroy the chlorophyll, causing the leaf, the green color leaf turns to yellow color leaf, and up or epinasty, downward curling of leaf, and abscission, dropping of leaves. These are some conditions which are resulted due to the exposure of air pollutants to plants, to leaf structure. And the next, particulates deposited on leaves can form encrustation and plague the stomata. These leaf pores are deposited with particulate dust. So what would be happen? The damage can result in death of the plants. So these are few effects on plants due to air pollution. And the next one is effects on aquatic life. These air pollutants mixing up with rain can causes acid rains. We know that I already discussed in previous classes. In freshwater lakes, that is acidification. This affects aquatic life, especially fish population. Some of the freshwater lakes have experienced total fish death. In some nations like Germany, Italy, Greece, in these nations, the freshwater lakes have experienced total fish death because of acid rains, because of acidification. So this is the effect on aquatic life due to air pollution. And the next one is effects on materials. Particulates can cause damage to exposed surfaces. Presence of sulfur dioxide and moisture can cause corrosion. We know that corrosion of metallic surfaces. Sulfur dioxide can affect fabric, leather, paint, paper, marble and limestone. So these are all problems due to particulates and oxides of sulfur in the presence of moisture. And coming to ozone, ozone in the atmosphere can causes cracking of rubber. So this is the problem due to ozone. Oxides of nitrogen can also causes fading of cotton and rayon fibers. So this is also another problem. So these are few effects on materials. So how can we control this air pollution? So these are some of the controlling measures. Siting of industries after proper EIA, environmental impact assessment studies, and then using low sulfur coal in industries. So they have to select low sulfur coal for generating electricity. For any other purpose they utilize only low sulfur coal. Removing sulfur from coal by washing or with the help of bacteria, sulfonobacteria. By using sulfonobacteria we should remove the sulfur content from coal. Removing NOx during the combustion process. Removing particulate from stack exhaust gases by employing electrostatic precipitators, baghouse filters, cyclone separators, scrubbers. These are all pollution control controlling devices. So by installing these controlling devices, we can easily eliminate the particulate dust from stacks. And vehicular pollution can be checked by regular tune up of engines. We know that if the engine is if engine ganaka sarigga ganaka working condition lo lekapothe it emits heavy pollution, and then replacement of more polluting old vehicles using mass transport, bicycles, etc. This is also one of the controlling measure. Shifting to less polluting fuels, that is hydrogen gas, we know that it is a clean gas, and using non conventional sources of energy, that is renewable energy sources, example solar, using biological filters and bioscrubbers, and most important, planting more trees. By planting more trees, we can reduce air pollution. So these are some of the control measures. So this is about air pollution. I already discussed in part 1 class about types, sources, effects on human health, and in this class I covered all the topics about air pollution. I hope you like this video. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీకు వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ప్లీజ్